This is 2 kVA solar system installation. We already have our solar panels here. These are 300 watts Canadian monocrystalline solar panels. These solar panels are supplied by Cosivins Solar Enterprise. So Cosivins Solar Enterprise supplied us these solar panels from Alaba. Here is the installer. The installer is okay Gonade. He is making sure that everything is ready for installation. The 3 monocrystalline Canadian solar panel we are about to install offers 300 watts each, and their operating voltage is 32.9 volts, and their operating current is 9.43 volts. The solar panels we have